Students, today I want to discuss some important board problems of relations. This topic is very important for the purpose of examination. I want to discuss some objective type questions as well as some long questions. Here, a relation R in a set A is called dash if A1, A2 belong to R. R stands for real number. Implies A2, A1 belongs to R. For all A1, A2 belongs A. So you must know the definition of the reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Then you would be able to solve the problem of this type. A relation R is a set. A relation in a set A is called symmetric if A1, A2 belongs to R, implies A2, A1 belong to R. For all A1, A2 belongs to A. My dear students, this is the definition of symmetric function. So, here we will write symmetric. A relation R in a set A is called symmetric. You put here symmetric. You write here symmetric. And this question is from 2020. Now, second question. A relation in a set A is called dash relation if each element of A is related to itself. A relation in a set A is called reflexive relation if each element of A is related to itself. So here you will write reflexive. Let R is equal to collection of element A cube such that A is a prime number less than 5. Find the range of R. Find the range of R. Relation is A, A cube such that A is a prime number. Given relation is R is equal to collection of the element A cube such that A is a prime number less than 5. A is a prime number less than 5. Then A is 2. Its image will be at 8. A is 3. Then image will be at 27. So the range of R is 8, 27. So my dear student, let R be the equivalence relation in the set A having elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is the collection of element AB such that 2 divides A minus B. 2 divides A minus B. Write the equivalence class of 0. Write the equivalence class of 0 such that A minus B divides 2 divides A minus B. So element in this set will be 0, 2, 4. Because 0 minus 2 is divisible by 2. 0 minus 4 is divisible by 2. 2 minus 4 is divisible by 2. So, equivalence class of 0 is 0, 2, 4. 0 minus 2 divisible by 2. Or 2 minus 0 divisible by 2. If it is A, 0 is A and 2 is B, then 0 minus 2 is divisible by 2. 0 minus 4 is divisible by 2. And 0 minus 4 is divisible by 2. So in this way, we write the equivalence class of 0 is set 0, 2, 4. State the region for the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R. R is the collection of ordered pair 1, 2, comma 2, comma 1, not to be transitive. Not to be transitive. We know that R is transitive if AB belongs R and BC belongs R. This implies AC belongs R. We have in the set R, in the relation R, we have 1, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 1 should be present in the relation R. Then it will be transitive. But 1, 1 is not here. AB is here. BC is here. But AC is not here. So R is not transitive. Check if the relation R in the set R of real number defined as R is the collection of ordered pair AB such that A less than B, symmetric, transitive, and it is from 2020. We have R relation is AB such that A less than B, where AB belongs R. Since A less than B, then A related to B. But B less than A. But B is not less than A. B is not less than A. That is, B is not related to A. So the relation R is not symmetric. For transitive, AB belongs to R, A less than B. BC belongs to R, so B less than C. So from first and second, A less than C. Thus R is transitive. Thus R is transitive. So that the relation R on R defined as R is the collection of element AB such that A less than equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. This problem is similar to this problem 6 and it was asked in Delhi 2019. So you solve it yourself. Let n be the set of natural number and R be the relation on n Cartesian product with n defined by A, B related to C, D. If and only if AD is equal to BC for all ABCD belongs to n, so that R is an equivalence relation. This problem is very, very important for the purpose of examination of this year. My dear student, it is my suggestion that you solve the rule to some extent here so that it will be easy to solve the problem. Now, relation is ordered pair AB and CD are in the relation R, AB and CD are the ordered pair such that AD is equal to BC. AD, X coordinate of first ordered pair, and D, fourth coordinate of second ordered pair. The second coordinate of second ordered pair. B, second coordinate of first ordered pair, and C, first coordinate of second ordered pair. So the relation is associated by this rule where ABCD belongs to, ordered pair ABCD belongs to A Cartesian product with A. We do some simplification here. AD is equal to BC. It can be written as AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. You do some simplification. So now, students, it is my suggestion that you solve this problem frequently and you apply some technique. What technique you will apply here? Relation is AD is equal to BC. This is given. AD is equal to BC. Then you will simplify it. A by B. A by B is equal to C by D. We can rewrite it here in this way. Now, check it. Rule is A by B is equal to C by D. Then AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. So now see. A by B is equal to A by B. It is true. A by B is equal to A by B. What does it mean? AB related to AB. AB related to AB. AB. First coordinate, second coordinate, AB. First coordinate, second coordinate, AB. CD. First coordinate, second coordinate, AB related to CD. So now, here, first coordinate, second coordinate of left hand side, AB. First coordinate, second coordinate, right hand side, AB. So AB related to AB. So this relation is reflexive. Let AB, CD belongs to R, where A, B, C, D belong to a Cartesian product with A. Let AB, C, D belongs to R, where AB, C, D belongs to a Cartesian product with A. So AB is equal to CD. Now we change the side. CD is equal to AB, it is true. AB is equal to CD. Then CD is equal to AB. We change the side, then it will be CD related to AB, which belongs to R. So it is symmetric. So it will be easy if you do some simplification here. Transitive. AB, CD belong to R, and CD, EF belong to R, where A, B, C, D, E, F belongs to a Cartesian product with A. So A, B related to CD, A by B is equal to C by D. CD related to EF, so C by D is equal to E by F. What do you observe? This is a common wall. AB is equal to CD and CD is equal to EF. This implies AB is equal to EF. This is true. So AB, A, B and E, B, E, F. So AB related to E, F, which belong to R. So R is transitive relation. So my dear student, you must solve this problem frequently, because as you see that it was asked in CBSE 2020. So it is very, very important. So now I want to discuss the problem which was asked in CBSE 2015. Let R be the relation on n Cartesian product with n, defined by AB related to CD, if and only if AD into B plus C is equal to BC into A plus D. Then we have to show that if the elements are related with this rule, then it is an equivalence relation. Now again my suggestion is, you solve this rule little bit. Now, what is given? AD into B plus C is equal to BC into A plus D. So now you can rewrite it. B plus C by BC and A plus D by AD. B plus C by BC and A plus D by AD. So now, after simplification, it is 1 by C plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by A. Now it can be rewritten in this way. 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D. We can rewrite. Now, it is 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D. इस तरह हम क्यों लिखते हैं? कि सवाल बनाने में हल्का हो. AB is a ordered pair. So, it's 1 by A minus 1 by B can be represented as A, B. 1 by C minus 1 by D can be represented as C, D, and it belongs to n Cartesian product with n. Now, we verify this rule, 1 by 1. For reflexive relation, 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by A minus 1 by B. It is true. So, AB is related to AB. So, this is reflexive. Symmetric. AB, A, B, C, D belongs to R. where AB, CD belongs to n Cartesian product with n. So rule is what? 1a minus 1 by b is equal to 1 by c minus 1 by d. We change the sign merely. It will be 1 by c minus 1 by d is equal to 1 by a minus 1 by b. So CD, C comma D related to A comma B. So hence the relation is symmetric. Transitive. Let AB, CD belong to R and CD, EF belong to R, where AB, A comma B, C comma D, E comma E belong to n Cartesian product with n. Rule is what? 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D. And 1 by C minus 1 by D is equal to 1 by E minus 1 by F. So instead of 1 by A minus 1 by B, we write AB. And instead of 1 by E minus 1 by E, we write EF, because this is a common one. AB related to CD. CD related to EF. So AB related to EF. AB when AB is related to CD means 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D. CD related to EF means 1 by C minus 1 by D is equal to 1 by E minus 1 by F. And after comparing this result, we have AB related to EF belongs to R. So R is transitive. Hence R is an equivalence relation. So my dear student, I will send you next video in which we will discuss some more important problems of equivalence relation and also equivalence class. So you must be careful. I hope you must watch the video and take its notes and do the problem frequently. Thank you. Thank you very much.